In this question, you have to identify which type of organism are found in extreme saline conditions, that is, the halophiles. Option A, eubacteria. Now, eubacteria are not halophiles because they do not thrive in extreme saline conditions and they are found in less extreme environments. Option B, cyanobacteria. Now, while cyanobacteria can tolerate a wide range of environments, including slightly saline conditions, but they are not found in extreme salinity. That is, they are not halophiles. Hence, it is incorrect. Option C, mycobacteria. It is incorrect because mycobacteria are usually associated with terrestrial or host associated environments, such as causing diseases like tuberculosis, and they are not adapted to extreme salinity. Option D, archaebacteria. Now, archaebacteria, particularly the halophiles, for example, halobacterium, they are well adapted to extreme saline environments such as salt lakes or brine pools because their cell wall is unique and they have an enzyme system that allows them to survive in such conditions. Hence, it is the correct option.